Okay, it was brought to my attention that some of you may not be familiar with doing a circuit. So I'm going to kind of start this so you can see how it works. And also you'll get some additional examples of how to solve some of these problems. So for number 1, you always start here with number 1. They've numbered it for us. As you proceed through the circuit and we get our answer, we're going to look for the answer in these other boxes. So these are parts of the answers of the problems you're going to solve. So you're going to solve the problem. So let's solve this one. Remember, if it has any number of terms, we start by looking for greatest common factors. This is x squared minus 4x cubed. So they both have a factor of x squared. It's a little hard to see because of my printer and the way it printed it, but that's x squared times. How do I get x squared to be x squared? We just multiply by 1. Minus, how do I get x squared to be 4x cubed? 4x. X times x squared is x cubed. So you're done. So your answer is x squared 1 minus 4x. I'm going to write it down here. It's a little easier to see. So notice in the instructions, it says factor the polynomial. Then to advance the circuit, hunt for one of the factors. So we're either going to find x squared or we're going to find 1 minus 4x in one of these boxes as the answer. It might be on the front, it might be on the back. You just have to look everywhere. Okay? So 1 minus 4x is down here. 1 minus 4x. So you're going to put, this was number 1. We're going to solve number 2 now. Okay? So you solve again, you find your answer, and then you look in all the answer sections and find the correct factor. Okay? So let's go ahead and solve this one as well, and then click it down here. Solve this one as well and find number 3, and then maybe I'll give you a hint of where another one might be. So 18x squared y minus 9xy, what do they have in common? Well, looking at the numbers, they're both going to have a 9. They each have at least one x and at least one y. Okay, and then we turn into how do we multiply this to get the original problem? 9 times 2 is 18. X times another x is x squared. Y times 1 is y, so we don't have to do anything there. Minus 9 times 9. We only need a 1 to get 9 times 1 to be 9. We've already used the x and we've already used the y. So that is going to be my answer. So I'm looking for either 9xy or 2x minus 1. So look through all of your answers for one of those things. It's not on the front, so let's look on the back. I don't see 9xy anywhere. I do see 2x minus 1. Double check. It was, yes, it was minus 1. So this will be box number 3. Okay, can't really see it. That goes there on that line, box number 3. Alright, and then you continue to solve until you get all the way down to the end. There's only one that is going to be prime because there's only one answer that says prime. Okay, I was told you I was going to give you one more hint on this. So, factoring 428. As a hint, so this down here is number 10. Just to keep you on the right track. And the 49 minus x squared, this is number 15. That way you'll know you're on the right track for each of these as you go forward through them. I'm going to be looking for, as I grade these, full factoring in the box. Okay, so it's not going to be enough to just proceed through the numbers and write a number here and the, like maybe this one is 3x minus 1. If I just see 3x minus 1 in this box, you're not going to get credit for it. You need to factor it, find your full factorization of it, and then have the numbers correct in the boxes. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. I am willing to do just ad hoc meetings. If you've got questions, we can just hop on a meeting together and answer them and then move on. But I'll post this out there, so if you don't know how to use a circuit, now you do.